Hello, 1 second, guys. Never mind. Hello, guys. Today we're unboxing something, one of the best games coming out in 2015, Super Mario Maker. Just got this a few minutes ago. It's pretty cool. It has Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Bros. 3, Mario World, and Focus Super Mario Bros. U. So let's open it. It comes with a free idea booklet. So let's. It comes in a hardcover. I should keep this because. So, got the idea booklet. Super Mario Maker shows some of the things. There's a picture of Mario, Koopa Troopa, jumping, legs by Bowser, Magic Koopa, a picture of hand, the different themes. So that will be good. And now, the best part, the game. When I get it off, I'll show you the. Oh god! Alright. Sorry, guys. Here is the game. I will be playing this on my channel when I get a new camera. Here it is, Super Mario Maker. Things. Let me show you the front case of it. Looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got amiibo support and a little Mario down there. Super Mario Maker. And all this. So yeah. Just came out yesterday and it's a fun game. Thank you all for watching and peace from Super Mario Maker.